welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we were looking into the pop-up LOVs, and today we shall learn about the date picker in Oracle Apex. So let's log in into your Apex workspace, go to the app builder, and then choose an existing application or create a new application. Then click create page and choose blank page, enter date picker page and click create. Now create a region in the body, name it date pickers region, and then click create page item and name it date picker and choose the type as date picker. Now in the date picker you have display as pop-up, inline and native HTML. So first of all save it, then duplicate for each display option. For example, the first one is the pop-up. Now the second one is inline. And the third one is native HTML. Now save. Here we have in the settings show time, minimum day, maximum date, multiple months. So first of all, run the application or run your this page. So the first one is the pop-up. You can see the pop-up appears. You can select any of the value from here. Then we have inline, and after that we have HTML. So this is the HTML, or if we change its format mask here, show time. Also enable the show time here. Now run the page. Now you can see the format with the time as well. You can choose any of the time here. Similarly, in the inline, you can also choose the time as you want. Now we shall go to the minimum date and just understand what is this. So if you want to restrict your calendar to only enable last 2 days and disable the previous months, then you can provide the minimum date. Similarly, for the maximum date, if you want to provide the number of days after today, then you can provide the maximum date. For example, In the minimum date, we have two options, item and static. Let's discuss the static one. In the static one, you can provide the number of days, months with negative sign. For example, I want to show only last 2 days or enable only last 2 days. Then you provide 2 and D for days. Similarly, if you provide static, I want to provide next 10 days, then I will choose this one and click save and run. Now let's open the pop-up and you can see that today is 11th June and the last 2 days are enabled and previous days and months are disabled. Similarly, the 10 days from today are enabled and the rest of days are disabled. So this is some sort of restriction for your days if you want to restrict a user to choose the days within your given range. Then if you want to enable the multiple months, for example, I want to show the rest of 3 months, multiple months, and enable 1 month from today. M is used for month, addition of month, and run the page. Now you can see we have multiple months that we have choose in this option, multiple months, three. Now 3 months are showing, but we have mentioned the minimum date is minus 2 days. It means previous days, 2 days, which will be enabled, and 1 month from today will also be enabled, but the rest of the days will be disabled. So user cannot pick the value from this range. So now if you want to provide a date from SQL query instead of this static days, so we need two attributes or page items. Let's say minimum date and mark is hidden, and in the source we shall provide SQL query return single value. In this query we shall provide select to char trunk sysdate minus 6 to enable last 6 days, and then we shall provide the formatting mask from do validate your query and click OK. Similarly, you have to provide the maximum days per month. So create another attribute and a page item and name it max and provide plus 15 days. Validate, click OK and save. Now move to the date picker and this time provide the minimum date and choose the item option. Then provide the page item Similarly for maximum, also provide format mask as we have defined in our SQL query. Click save and run the page. So now we shall look into the error. So the issue in the format mask, we have to provide 4 Ys instead of 3. Click OK, click save and run the page. Now you can see that in the minimum days, we have mentioned 6 previous days, then 6 are showing, and 15 next days. And let's pick the value, click done, and you can see that the format is showing in this way. So we shall go to the format mask, add the slashes or dashes, and provide a space. Click save and run the page. Now pick a date, click done. So you can see that, and also add this for the minutes. So that's all about the date picker. I hope you have learned something useful, and thank you for watching Developers Diary.